Come do the cutest starfish nail art ever with me. As you can see, I started off by prepping my nails, applying a base coat and then a base color. Next up, I'm taking a detail brush and a light blue, and I'm going to do a French tip on all of my nails except for my ring fingernail. In order to do this, I took the detail brush and I outlined the French tip part where the tip of the nail stopped. And then I went ahead and filled the rest in with the brush that came with the blue polish bottle. I find that this is the easiest way to do it. Then I went in with a dotting tool for the starfish shape, but I made sure I rounded all of the edges. But I still kept the tips of the starfish pointed. Then I took the smaller end of the dotting tool and I went in with some white dots to add some texture and some contrast to the starfish. And there we go. Now I'm just going to seal it all in with a top coat. And here's the finished look.